Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your #1 channel for legit back-to-back news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. Now, as we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the Deputy Senate President of the nation Nigeria will be Jibrin Barau. Him now don reaffirm his unwavering loyalty to our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but with the way the talk they come outside from the man mouth, countrymen now don't feel as if something fishy is going on here. Now, according to the Deputy Senate President will be Jibrin Barau, he say in they ready to do anything for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He go do anything wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu tell him to do, and that na because say our President na his political father. And him now they yarn this one as they address the National Assembly correspondents during a briefing on the upcoming Constitution Review Town Hall meetings. And still for inside this meeting, so my good people, the Deputy Senate President will be Jibrin Barau. He now can describe our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a magnanimous leader. Man, we don't consistently step in to assist others. And then the lawmaker can yarn they give men about how our president they support him during political turbulence for inside Kano State. And according to how the talk they come aside from his mouth, he say our president don't save him the time where he been there in musky political waters. And when our president they succeed, the all progressives they also they succeed. This now waiting true progressives they do. But however, my good people, sake of the statements wey the Deputy Senate President make, many countrymen now don dey raise eyebrow. Some now don dey yarn negative, while some dey yarn positive. Some countrymen now don dey yarn say the Deputy Senate President cannot be trusted at all sake of his declaration. Men now dey reason say this is unwavering commitment now wey he don reaffirm. If he cloud his judgment tomorrow, and the thing get the potential to make the lawmaker now to come dey make unfair, unjust and biased decisions. And as a Deputy Senate President wey him be, he's supposed to be independent. He's not supposed to owe anybody anything, no matter the matter, so as to ensure genuine service, transparency and accountability in the government. Meanwhile, on the constitution review process, the Senate President, man wey dey go by the name Jibrin Barau, he na come dey yarn about the Senate, their commitment to an inclusive, people-driven amendment of the 1999 Constitution. Him now dey let men dey know say the Senate Committee on Constitution Review don receive numerous memoranda and bills from Nigerians and civil society organizations. And to make sure say men hear the voice of every Nigerian, nobody is left behind, the Senate now dey organize zonal public hearings. And the reason for this na because say no be all citizens of the nation Nigeria wey go fit travel come Abuja. And the town hall meetings go hold simultaneously across the 6 geopolitical zones on the 4th day of July and the 5th day of July for inside this year, so will be 2025. After yarn all those levels finish, he now gonna give assurance to all citizens of Nigeria, say regardless of class or profession, regardless of ethnic background or wherever they come from, all of them are very much welcome to participate. And still according to the Senate President, he say currently them get about 59 proposed bills, and these bills they include those where they seek the creation of new states, but the scope is very much open. They are ready to listen to fresh ideas and demands from the general public. So him now can urge the media to support the initiative by raising awareness and encouraging citizens to get involved. And he say like this now, the media they play a very critical role in making sure that Nigerians are very much aware of these opportunities to shape the constitution. As the Senate now don't plaster to help, them now will be the Senate need the help of the media to spread the word. And now after every the Deputy Senate President will be Barau Jibrin. He now gonna give accolade to the Senate Committee on Constitution Review for initiating the town halls, and he can express confidence in their success. And now my good people, onto this report and the declaration made by the Deputy Senate President saying go do anything for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions, feel free make you put them inside our comment section. meanwhile me still get another report for table wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Adewale Adebayo, him na the 2023 presidential candidate for the Social Democratic Party. Him na don come outside dey yarn dey give the general public say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has nothing to offer Nigerians in terms of governance. Him dey yarn this one now during one interview wey him get with Tori people. For inside this interview now him dey yarn dey give Tori people and the general public say after our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don finish his tenure, as he don finish to dey govern we nation Nigeria, him go graduate with A1 in politics but F9 in governance. And that na sake of say our president dey perform excellently in political ecosystem, but the man dey fail woefully in implementing policies. And still according to the SDP chieftain, he say our president don master the act of motivating and attracting the interest of politicians to his party. But however, even as he don gather the politicians, our president dey fail to understand the needs of Nigerians. And then as they address the defections by politicians from their various party to the ruling All Progressive Congress, Oga Adebayo now come dey yarn say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no need many people to dey defect to his party. If he cannot save lives for inside Benue or Plateau or many other parts of we nation Nigeria, he don fail the nation totally. And while it may seem like there is no strong opposition party to wrestle power with the ruling APC in the next general election, the real opposition go last come from the people. This my good people na the remarks of the SDP chieftain wey be Adewale Adebayo. And this na the informative I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this informate, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put that your contribution, that your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so wey be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update, if you be say you like this report and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and no forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go gather more intel for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.